Welcome back, y'all. It's Vacay here, and if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification button. Y'all already know I'm back with another hair tutorial, hair video using Love Me hair clip-ins. I will be installing and styling 2 packs of their clip-ins, the straight in 24 inches. Today I decided to do a half up, half down because I was inspired, to do something fun and cute, and I see like the TikTok girlies wearing this style. So I don't know if it's like a baddie, IG baddie, TikTok baddie hairstyle. But yeah, so we're gonna get into it. I first started by parting down my hair from ear to ear and section 3 sections. So the first 2 ponytails in the front and then a back section. Then I started at the nape of my neck, adding tracks in that fit that perimeter of my head. So I didn't want them hanging out too much on the sides. So if I was to ever, turn my head, you wouldn't be able to see it. I believe in the back I added about 8 clips completely, or maybe 9, Mama, just to get that full effect. I'm really inspired to do this style, y'all, because I need to start turning nothing into something. I really need to turn nothing into something because it's Christmas, New Year's, and my son's birthday is on when is his birthday? His birthday is Christmas Eve, and he wants a birthday party and presents, not toys. He wants presents. So we're gonna get into this look, okay? So about 8 clips in the back, and I kept slicing until I got to the top. I did have to go off camera to make sure my hair wasn't too bluntly at the top, but now we're in the front section, and it's literally perfect. So I'm not gonna lie, off camera I put my hair up in ponytail, and I could not figure out how I was gonna get these clips in, so we did a little trial and error. I put a little ponytail and started from the middle, so that can cover up and my hair would be blended seamlessly. If you want a more detailed look about how I did the front, just comment below and I'll do it again. Today I plan on doing a full ponytail look with so today I plan on doing like an invisible ponytail full look, so I would definitely get into that and be very detailed. And I need to start learning how to talk on camera, y'all. I don't know what makes me so nervous and I just look weird and sound weird, but I need to get more personable, which I am getting into. You see me talking on this voice over here. So then we're gonna scoop that hair up, put it in a ponytail. Y'all, look at this. It's so cute. I took a little piece of my real hair and wrapped it around and then put another ponytail holder in there. Then I just did my edges with bass and leather. I got this edge control off of TikTok shop and I really like it. Although when I wake up in the morning, it always is white. Like, I don't know why it has like a white film to it, but here we go eating. You cannot see any of the tracks. Like, I really love this. I wish I could have worn it for more days, but sleeping on clip-ins is not the most comfortable, so I took them out. And I have a new style for today. I'm going to be giving you guys a new style with clip-ins every single day. So if you guys have any ideas or something you want to see, or you are interested in like how do they do that, how can I achieve the same look for less, I'm going to show you in the videos, okay? This is my Vlogsmas, and this is how I'm going to start presenting myself to the world, like I am here. I'm ready to show the girls ways so they can save their coins and still look cute like they just left the hair salon. So let me know if you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well.